finally, I have my very own For You Too Jelly Tint. Ayan. So, I have two shades, Baby Smile and Raspberry Jam. Lately, mas ginagamit ko si Raspberry Jam. Here's the applicator. Straight lang siya. Okay. Ayan. Baby Smile, Raspberry Jam. Mas light pala at mas liquidy. Let's try Baby Smile sa lips. Ayan. Fairness konti lang. Pwede na. This one naman, patong ko lang ha. So, yung shade pwedeng ma-alter. Raspberry talaga siya, guys. Yung parang fresh berry talaga. Yan. Mas naging darker siya. It's nice to layer the two, and ang nagugustuhan ko, pag medyo darker yung lips, magiging mas maputi yung teeth nyo, guys. Ayan, no? And guys, this one's very moisturizing. Well, in fact, mas moisturizing siya kaysa sa aking favorite shade from the Lip Mallow Happy Skin. It's 300 plus each. Then, sale ko pala siyang nabili. So, 200 plus lang. This one is around 500 plus. Each tint pala is 4 grams. So, marami na rin dyan. Yan.